Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell your Paws on BitGet exchange. In less than 3 hours, Paws will be listing on BitGet and some other exchange. So what you have to do next for you to go over to market, you can see it over here. And what you have to do for you to go over to market, you can see opportunities. You have to move it to market. And over here you can see it here, it says Paws/USDT, and you can see open soon, which means in the less than 2 hours, yes, Paws will be listed. And in case you can't find it here, you can go over to the search area and searching Paws. You can see it over here too. You can just type it and it's going to come out. Yes, so let me go over to here and you're going to see trade. Let me go over to trade, and this is where you'll be able to to sell your Paws. And make sure Paws/USDT is showing over this side. Make sure it's showing via let the thing be on USDT. And what you have to do next for you to go over to sell, and make sure it's on the market side, not on limits, not on TP/SL or advanced limits. Make sure it's at the market because you're about to sell it. And here they say fill at the market price. You can fill it here, the quantity of Paws you wish to sell. Either you want to sell all of them or few of them. So you can just slide it like this and it's going to show you the quantity of Paws you want to sell. You can put it on 100 or at 50%, whatever one you want to do. And at the down side you're going to see sell Paws. So let me go over to it. Okay, they say quantity of Paws. Let me just put 20,000. So let me go over to sell Paws. They're going to send you an email on your BitGet. They're going to send you your email on your BitGet. So you just have to put in the code there where it's needed. BitGet are going to send you an email. So you just have to go over to your email side and get in the code and type it or paste it where it's needed. Then after that you'll be able to sell your Paws. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.